Today we're going to bring two scone lamps. If you guys can see, you get two of them, and you get actually the setup. You get for each one the top and the bottom of the actual cover. They're going to be connected to a 120 connection, the wall mount stuff, and also the connections. And included with it, you get the actual control and the light bulbs. They're LED light bulbs that we're going to set up. They're included with it. So we're going to set them up and see how they look. So the way I like about them is that it's not just an ordinary lamp. You can move it left or right. It has this optional that you can move it left or right. Easy to install in the back. It comes with the actual wall mount. You get the ground, neutral, and hot. So if you ever want to make this permanent, you can always get the actual connections from here. They're connected. You could cut them here and permanent. And but in this case, we don't have to worry about it. All you got to do is connect it. Make sure you have the white backing for it, and that's pretty much it. Once you set it up, you could tie this fastener so you could keep it at one area. It's optional. So we're gonna set it up and see how it looks at night. All right, let's take a look at the actual light in the dark first. So you got your controller here, and we're gonna turn it on right now. Now when you turn it on, there's a couple modes that you should be aware, right? That's the first mode right now, and then we could dim it down if you want. So we could really dim it down, but we also could change the color. So so let me change it right now, like a yellowish tone, a brighter. And then this is kind of the daylight, and it goes back to normal. There's only 3 tones. Now, there's a couple features on the control. I'm not going to be able to show you here, but you could dim it down to very soft light if you want. And we're going to go back to the highest one again. And you could control dim. You could dim it down too. You could dim it down, put the plus, and then of course you could program many lights, 1 through 4 lights you got. And then the best thing about it is you could set a program, so you could come in and just click on it and it'll change it to whatever you set it up to be. So the on and off, which I like it, on and off, very simple to install. One of the best things that I like about the light, you can move this to the right or to the left. It swings either way. I like that. Now if you want to turn it off, you can manually turn it off here, or you could turn it on there. Very simple. I like the whole setup, the whole light. So with the controller, it's a plus. You could manage up to 4 units on the single controller. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.